This is Jimmy. Look, see.
Alien.
Not moving. And here is where Jimmy came from.
This is where you came from.
I come from Mars.
From Mars.
And this is the vehicle that
Martian.
Jimmy used.
Hey, what's that?
This is your father.
Star Wars.
Darth Vader.
This is Jimmy's mother.
Wow.
Wow, so sexy.
So sexy.
May pangil. Sa yung mga bungo.
Is that your wife?
Ang ganda.
Hey, so I call you father?
Pada. You call me Pada.
Hey, you said that.
This is me. This is me. Jimmy, look, see, this is me. Not that one. This is me.
You are Pekpo?
No, this is me. Ah, that's me. And I used to ride this one. Yeah? And when I ride that one, I go out of this one.
Small size? Yeah.
Yeah.
First.
And this is where you came from. Pluto.
Saturn.
Saturn. Sorry.
Naka-record pa, nakakaya ka rin.
Nakakaya ba? Talagang nilagay mo pa yung mukha ko, ha?
Ito yung nagsabi, oh. Hindi nag-aral ng solar system.
Hindi, tulog.
Moving, the sun is the center of the solar system. Moving around it are the planet.
Hey, you are doing some explanation.
Exactly. And the planet goes around the sun. And the sun is the center. And the planet goes around it.
And the moon.
And the moon rises up at night time.
Goes around.
And that is the Nibiru.
Meteor.
Will be coming in December 12. December 21 this year. See, that's what's going to be happening.
That's the end of the earth.
And after that,
Boom.
we're all going to be like this.
We're dead.
We'll come to the point that we are going to be riding this. And when we ride this, we are all going to go, we're going to go to Mars. And when we go to Mars, we are going to be landing like that. And the universe is like that. Yes.
Yan alien. Like,
This is aliens.
ito yung alien. Ito na yung alien.
Yeah, they're shooting. This is the movie. This is the game called Galaga. Galaga. And yeah, Galaga. Whatever. And yeah, see, it's good, huh? And then Galaga, whatsoever, is going after us. And this is the